everyone, it's Shail here, and as always, we are here to sprinkle some positivity and inspiration into our life. So, today we'll be talking about something very simple but incredibly powerful, and that is how starting small, how small changes can lead to big transformations. Often we think to see the results, we need to make massive transformations. But the truth is something else. Transformation often starts with just a small step. Today we'll talk about it how small changes leads to a big transformation and how does that work and how we can bring that into our life, how we can start today. Big habit changes can feel exciting at first, but let's be honest, it's very difficult to keep those big changes consistently be that. And small changes mostly seems effortless and it provides us really good result because over time it leads to a big change without even not making us notice that, without we noticing it, without we being try really hard to make that change. It becomes effortless, and at the end of the day we see that it made a really big difference. Let me share some personal story on that. When I was a kid and exam days were approaching, we mostly study at the exam days. When exams are approaching, we feel like, oh yes, now we need to start studying. That's what I used to do as a kid. So when exam days were approaching, I used to create a timetable for me for whole day, that at 5 a.m I'll wake up. By 6 a.m I'll start the study. From 6 to 8 I'll study, and from 8 to 9 I'll get ready for school, then I'll go to school. So every hour I used to just describe it, maintain, make a timetable, stick it over my table, and I used to follow it for 1 day, 2 day, and mostly just 2 days. When third day came, I was so tired because I changed everything. I changed my waking up routine, I changed my morning routine, evening routine, everything at just one go. And if anything I would miss a day, I was like, okay, I'll start from tomorrow. I'll continue it from tomorrow. Today I missed one thing, so let's go with it for the whole day. And as we know, tomorrow never comes. So that's what used to happen with me. I used to just leave that timetable after 2 or 3 days, always feeling like, let's start from tomorrow. Because it was a massive change. What I should have done there was, I should have started with something small, like, okay, I'll start waking up early. That would have been my first step. Then I would have started changing my morning routine, evening routine, like one by one, small by small, so that it should have engraved in me, and it would have felt effortless, and I would have been able to continue it for, at least I would have been able to continue it. But that didn't happen. I should have known that earlier. So that's how small changes help us. If you wake up at 10 a.m and you want to start waking up early at 5 a.m, don't just try to change it in a day. Don't feel like, okay, from tomorrow I'm waking up at 5 every day. That will work for a day, 2 day, but after few days you'll feel very tired because it's very difficult for your body to adjust and to change it in a day. But what you can do is, if you wake up at 10 a.m, so start with 9:30. Just decrease it by 30 minutes. So your body won't notice, your mind won't notice that much. So your mind will not be procrastinating because it's not noticing that much. And time, once you are habitual of 9:30, start with 9. So by that, over time, you'll see that you'll start waking up at 5 without even procrastination. Most of the time the problem is we start procrastinating, but now our body and mind won't notice that much, so we won't procrastinate it that much. That's how taking small step is powerful. It is very easy for our body and mind to get adjustable to just small step, but big step, it's very difficult. We can do it, but it's very difficult. So let's take a easy route and let's start with something small. Now, as we know, the new year is approaching, and what we'll do is we'll start with making some new year resolutions. And most of the time what happens is we take the resolution, we try to follow it for few days, and then we just stop it because we took very big resolutions. And as we know, big changes are difficult to maintain. So let's start with some small resolutions so that we can follow it for the year, and let's start seeing some big results. If you want to start reading a book, if you want to make that a habit, so take the resolution of reading a book at least 10 minutes a day. Any time is fine, but let's read the book for 10 minutes a day. That's easy, that sounds easy. But at the end of the year, you'll notice that you have read multiple books just by reading 10 minutes. So start small and take a resolution which you can really keep. And at the end of the year, you'll notice you didn't just waste this year, but you were able to take that resolution and it has provided you big results. So think what you want to do, what you want to achieve, divide it into small subtasks and start with it. Start with it today. If you'll start with small, you won't procrastinate it, and it's very easy to start. So start with it today. Stop procrastinating. Start small but see the big results. Have a nice day. Thanks for listening.